Hello students, in this video lecture we will study logic gates. A logic gate is an elementary building block of any digital circuit. It is an electronic device that makes logical decisions based on the different combinations of digital signals available on its inputs. That means the logical decisions are based on the different combinations of available inputs. It can have more than one input signal but has only one digital output signal. It takes one or more binary signals as its inputs, and using a specific algorithm, it gives an output, a single bit as a result. And each time the inputs change, the output bit changes in a predictable fashion. This one is a given, or you can say a diagrammatic representation of a logic gate. There can be one or more binary input signals, but the output will be only one, a single binary output signal. A logic gate can be represented by the following two means. First one is truth tables. A truth table serves the purpose by making a column for each of the inputs to a digital circuit and a column for the resulting output. That means there will be a column for each input and a column for output. A row is added for each of the possible patterns or combinations of ones and zeros that could be the input to the circuit. The second means is specific logic symbol. Now a number of standard gates exist, and each one of which has a specific symbol that uniquely identify its function. So first one is AND gate. It has an output that is normally at logic level 0 and goes high to a logic level 1 when all of its inputs are at logic level 1. And it returns low when any of its inputs are at a logic level 0. If we see in the this truth table, normally when we start a circuit it will be at level 0, but it will be high to 1 if both of the inputs are 1 or at logic level 1, and it will return low when any of its inputs. Now in all these first three cases, one of the input, here all the inputs, here one of the input is at logic level 0. So it will return low. 0 means low and 1 means high. The Boolean expression for AND gate is Q equals to A dot. Dot means AND. A and B, or simply you can write AB. This one is the logic symbol through which you can represent the AND gate. The next one is OR gate. It has an output that is normally at logic level 0 but goes high to a logic level 1 when any of its inputs are at logic level 1. If we see its truth table, when input is at, any of the input is at logic level 1. Here it is logic level 1, one input is at logic level 1. Here one input is at logic level 1, and here both the inputs are at logic level 1. And in all these three cases, the output is at high, logic level high. But in this case, when the input is 0, or you can say the low, when all the inputs, if we see here, the output of a logic OR gate returns low again when all of the inputs are at a logic level 0. Right? This resulting output is 0 when all the inputs are at logic level low. This one is the logic symbol, and the Boolean expression for OR gate is denoted as Q equals to A plus B, and plus symbol is used for OR operation. The next one is buffer gate. It actually does not produce any particular logic function since the binary value of the output is the same as the binary value of the input. The main purpose of this buffer gate is just to drive other gates that require a large amount of power. And the Boolean expression for buffer gate is A equals to Q. That means if input is 0, the resulting output will be 0. If input is 1, the resulting output will be 1. And this one is the logic symbol of buffer gate. The next one is NOT gate. It is also known as inverting buffer or a digital inverter element. It goes low to a logic level 0 whenever the single input is at logic level 1. That means it is inverting the input. If input is 0, then the resulting output will be 1. If the input is 1, then the resulting output will be 0. It returns high when its input is at logic level 0. The Boolean expression of NOT gate is Q equals to A bar or A inverter. And the symbol, logic symbol of NOT gate is just buffer gate and with an inverter symbol. The next one is NAND gate. It is a combination of AND gate with an inverter or NOT gate connected together in series. And it has an output that is normally at logic level 1 and only goes low to logic level 0 when all of its inputs are at logic level 1. It is just a reciprocal of AND gate. And Boolean expression of NAND gate is Q equals to A and B, its inverter or its bar. As I have said that it is a reciprocal or you can say opposite of AND gate. Therefore, the symbol is just by adding an inverter symbol to a AND gate, it will represent a NAND gate. And in the truth table, if we can see, all the outputs are just reciprocal of AND gate. In the case of AND gate, all these three outputs were 0 while this output was 1. But here it will yield 0 if both the inputs are 1 or both the inputs are at high level, then the output will be low. Otherwise, in all the cases, if any of the input is 0, all that cases the output will be 1. The next gate is NOR gate. It is a combination of OR gate with a NOT gate connected together in a series. Just as a NAND gate, it is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. That was the combination of AND NOT, but it is the combination of OR and NOT, and you can say it is a reciprocal of OR gate. And it has an output that is normally at logic level 1 and only goes low to logic level 0 when any of its inputs are at logic level 1. If any of one input, any of the two inputs, or you can say if one input from 2 or 3 or 4, any number of inputs, if one input is 1, in that case the output will be 0. If both the inputs are 0 or all the inputs are 0, in that case the output will be 1. And the Boolean expression of NOR gate is Q equals to A or B, its inverter, or you can say A plus B bar. This one is the logic symbol, inverter gate along with the OR gate. The next gate is exclusive OR gate. It is also called as XOR gate. Its output goes high when its two input terminals are at different logic levels with respect to each other, and they can be at logic level 1 or both at logic level 0. So if we see in the truth table, according to this statement, if both the inputs are same, in that case the output will be 0. If we see the first row and the fourth row, if both of the inputs are different, as in the second and third input rows, the output will be 1. And the Boolean expression is Q equals to A XOR B. This one is the XOR symbol, and it will be equals to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. This one is the logic symbol of XOR gate. The last one is exclusive NOR gate, and also called as XNOR gate. It is a complementary form of the XOR function, normally at logic level 1, but it goes low to logic level 0 whenever any of its inputs are at logic level 1. And another instance where an output 1 is obtained is when both of its inputs are at logic level 1. So what can we say? If both of the inputs are 0 or both of the inputs are 1, in that case only the output will be 1. If the inputs are different, both the inputs are different, in that case the output will be 0. And the Boolean expression is Q equals to A XOR B, its bar or inverter, and it will be equals to A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. If we see here, A bar dot B bar plus A dot B in both the cases, as the output is 1, and this one is its logic symbol used to represent the exclusive NOR gate. Thank you. Have a nice day.